So this has been weighing on me for a while, and the thing that it is my mortgage. And I think about it constantly about my mortgage. It's not that I can't make the payments. It's not that I don't make enough or anything like that. I just hate the fact that I have it. And the worst part about it is my interest rate. And you're probably thinking, oh, you must have a high interest rate. It's actually, I don't. It's a 2.8% interest rate. And the reason why that annoys me so much is because that's one of the reasons why I don't also want to pay it off. Like, if it was higher, like 3 or 4%, I would absolutely get rid of this mortgage like now. I would sell off my assets. I'd sell off like my crypto, my stocks, and I would just pay it off and be done with it. But since it's such a low interest rate, it hurts me to think that, it would hurt me to pay it off, because I know I can make such a big spread on the money that I would be putting away from it. Like, I have like $380K left, and if I really wanted to, I could sell half of my crypto and it's gone, and the mortgage would be gone. But with the most recent bull run, and I feel like it's just the beginning, I feel like it would be doing my future self a disservice if I ended up paying off my mortgage right now, because I do believe on how high Bitcoin could go, how high Ethereum could go, how high XRP could go. And if I sold those now, I might kick myself later, even though I talked with my dad and a few friends on getting rid of my mortgage. They're all saying whatever you do, no matter what, since you're in a good position, you're gonna stay. You'll be in a better position in the future. Whether it's I keep my crypto and it does go up, then wow, if it goes to what Kathy Wood says, Bitcoin, right? By 2030, it should be 600K to 1.3 million. That'd be amazing, because I have multiple coins, full coins of Bitcoin. And then, but also if I get rid of my mortgage, that means my house is gone starting now. And my goal has always been to be done with everything by 45. So that's 10 years from now. And what I keep weighing on myself is that maybe I won't pay it off until 8 years from now. And the reason why I'm saying 8 years from now is because I'm a nurse and I work in a unionized hospital, and I've been working as a nurse for 12 years. And to get your full pension, to collect your full pension at 65 with the highest of your last 5 full years of working, you have to work 20 years. And since I'm already at 12, 8 more years and I'll be at 20. So when I get to retirement, actual retirement age, I'll be able to collect a full pension, which is very enticing. But that's my thought process is going all over the place. But also, say if I paid off my mortgage now, my mortgage right now is $35.50 a month. So $35.50 a month for a whole year is $43,000. And over 8 years, it's a good amount of money. I don't know the exact calculation, but I could technically invest all that money back in. I won't get in the same positions that I would be in potentially later, but I could potentially invest all that money, $43,000 a year, for 8 years, and still be in a very good position, because at least I know I don't have a mortgage. I'm just paying property tax, and that's it. And I could actually just potentially not care about anything anymore, because the whole reason why I go to work is to pretty much pay my mortgage. I could maybe focus more on this YouTube, focus on my side hustles, because that's all I'll have to do. I won't have to make so much money to cover the mortgage anymore. So I got a lot to think about. I am leaning towards just paying it off in 8 years and hopefully get the best of both worlds of having a crazy appreciation in all my assets, where I will end up selling some of my assets to pay it off instead of just paying it all off now. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys would do. And I'm genuinely interested on everyone's thoughts, because a lot of people I know are saying, like, why pay off a 2.8% interest rate when you could invest and you could do great and just suck it up and work a little bit, or just pay it all off now and kind of just like start living almost like a retired life at a young age. So definitely interested in what everyone's thinking. So drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are going through the same kind of thought process as me, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.